Good morning, guys. How's everybody doing out there on this terrific Tuesday? I hope you are having a marvelous day today. If you're here for the first time, do me a favor and smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, guys, I'm back just to do a quick update on the smart desktop AI. If you have not checked it out, this little $20 24/7 software, new program, go to the link in the description, www.coffeeandcoins.info. AI email marketing agent, growing your business 24/7. You got to check this out. This is brand new. There was a webinar update last night. They have now created a Telegram group for the program as well. So if you're in it, you want to get in the Telegram group, make sure you check your email so that you can get the link to get in. All right, guys. So they had a little brief. I tried to get on it. I had to hit the replay because they were maxed out at 500. So it just shows you the power of this little program that people are interested in. Everywhere I go, I see people promoting it. So it is the new hot business. All right. And for the price of $20, very affordable for everybody. No monthly fees. I mean, it's a no-brainer. It's an absolute no-brainer. So check out this little snippet here and I'll be back momentarily. Check it out.
Hey there, entrepreneurs. Ready to supercharge your business with cutting-edge technology? Let me introduce you to the ultimate game changer, your very own AI email marketer. And guess what? It's yours for just a one-time fee of $20 USD. Yep, you heard me right, 20 bucks. Imagine having an AI that works 24/7, 365 days a year, tirelessly promoting your business. All you need to do is sign up, create your account, and fill in the details about your business or side hustle. You can even upload your customer list or tap into our database of 20 million small business owners. And here's the kicker. Our AI uses the latest version of ChatGPT and proprietary software to keep your emails out of the spam folder. Think about it. Hiring an in-house email marketing professional could cost you thousands of dollars a month. But now, for just a $20 USD activation fee, you get an AI that never complains, never gets sick, and never stops promoting your business. It's like having a marketing superhero at your fingertips. Our smart desktop AI account used to cost $187 a month, and we had many happy customers paying that. Thanks to recent investor funding, we can now offer this incredible service for just a $20 USD activation fee. This is a limited time opportunity you don't want to miss. Click the button below to sign up and let your business soar with the power of AI. Act fast and transform your email marketing strategy today. Sign up now and unlock the potential of AI for only $20 USD. Your business deserves this. Don't wait. Thanks for watching, and here's to your success.
Okay, that's just a little quick video there on the AI. All right, so what does Smart Desktop AI do? It's a lead generation tool, guys, that will be sending out 50 emails a day on your behalf. Okay, so it's going to be a tool to help you with whatever business opportunity you are currently promoting. It's not going to interfere with what you got going on. This is not network marketing, MLM, any of that. Okay, you're going to earn $60 commissions, okay, when you refer others to this. For everybody that purchases the software from you, okay, they spend 20, you earn 60. Yes, that's right. That is bananas. That's why I said it's a no-brainer. Okay, it's really absolutely a no-brainer. So they sent us an email, actually, and our referral link has changed. Okay, so I've updated that on my site, www.coffeeandcoins.info. So when you go there and you click this button now, all right, instead of it saying Stripe, right, you click it now, see it comes here, all right. So this is what you're going to see. Just go ahead and complete this to set up your account and pay your $20. Okay, this is the new look because we have a new referral link. All right, and then they've also updated the dashboard. Is still in progress because this is a new program. It's been out, it was out, I guess, initially a month or so ago, but they made changes to it, right? So there's a lot of little kinks and things that they're working out, but just hang in there. This is going to be a great tool, let me tell you, from what I can see, and it just makes sense. All right, so go to that link in the description, www.coffeeandcoins.info. Come here, fill this out, pay your $20, guys, and get this software. Now, when you come to my page, you're going to see the Coffee and Coins first. You click that button, and it's going to bring you over here. Now, for anybody that signs up, if you're interested, I can get you a page like this. All right, they are going to be coming out with some different marketing things, but hey, this is what we do. When we're action takers, we don't worry about all that. We just put something together, put it out here, and let it flow. Okay, so that's the difference in people just waiting around. Well, I don't have a page, I don't have a... Look, we set ours up, we rocking and rolling. Like I said, anybody that sign up with me, I can get you a template to this page. And all you got to do is edit it and put your link in there. Okay, guys? And you can be rocking and rolling. You can get this video as well. All right? So anyway, I set this up. And it goes over it a little bit. Limited time offer, $20. One-time activation. This software used to be $187 a month. Yes, it was. And people signed up and purchased it. So once they made this change, though, they gave folks their money back, right? So that's the good thing. But at any rate, and then I also found out it's not a limit on the people. Okay, so that's great. So we'll be updating this, but just get the software, $20. Okay, it's just, that's all I can say about it. I mean, it's not a hard thing to think about. So smart desktop AI features a fully automated email marketing AI email marketing agents that promote your offer on autopilot, up to 1,500 contacts a month. All right, and so here's the let me show you the dashboard. It's still in progress, but let's see, where did it go? Hang on a second, hold on a second. All right, so they've got the desktop, and your link is here at the top. Smart Desktop AI Dashboard right up here. Okay, this is the new link. Remember, the other one said Stripe something. This is the new link. So again, mine is at www.coffeeandcoins.info. All right, and again, they're still working on this, but this gives you an idea of kind of what it would look like. But there's still more work to be done. So again, be patient with this deal. All right, so you'll have your dashboard and all that, guys. So again, just want to give you all a quick update on the Smart Desktop AI. It is in motion and it's going, and everywhere I look, like I said, you probably heard about it. I've already gotten emails from my counterparts. This is what I'm saying. So people know about it. So get in so you can refer your folks, because they're going to be letting you know. And you're like, oh my goodness, I heard about this. So go ahead and get in, pay your $20, get your referral link, and start sharing this with others. And if you join me, if you want a page like this, the template, I will get that to you guys. All right, that's it, that's all. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button for me, and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.